The Salted De Janeiro products have proven to be popular since we launched these nearly a year ago. These have an additional promotion attached to them. So the spray and the cream individually with the additional discount are £20 and 26p, down from 25.33. But if you do purchase the cream and the spray together, the price that you will pay is £30 and 50p, making these individually £15 and 25p, saving you almost a fiver when purchased together. The Hooded Beauty palette is due to be discontinued at the end of the month as well. So this matches to most skin tones. £24 is what you would have paid for this amazing product. It's now £16 and 80p. High-end beauty palettes and beauty brands, you're looking at paying upwards of £25 to £30. So you are saving more than half price in comparison. The L'Oreal Lipstick Trio, again, is an amazing product. 3 nude shade lipsticks, originally £27, down to £21.60. And again, this is travel exclusive, you're not able to purchase this on the high street. And again, high-end lipsticks, you're looking at paying £18 just for one, and you're getting this 3 in this box for £21 and 60p. Duty free can be found on page 56 and 57. If you are interested in any of these products, please do speak to a member of crew. There's mix and match promotions across the entire spirits range. Accept payments via credit or debit card, contact us if you prefer, and we'll start at the front of the cabin and make our way through.
The Prime Minister.